your sight, not going to make a difference because we're not going to be adjusting it. But those are really the big differences between the target model and the basic model.
Okay. You're just making a video of this?
I just want to document my first time shooting a gun.
Sounds good. What are you?
Should we shoot anything else?
I don't know. So the ARs come in 20-round rentals. Basically, it works out to $22 for 20 rounds on the AR. Okay. How many would you like to shoot today? We can do 20, 40, 60.
How much you want to shoot? Like 20 each?
Sure.
Yep.